Imagine a world 4.7 million years ago. Not the world we know, but one untamed, wild and teeming with creatures both familiar and ancient. This was the dawn of humanity, a time when our earliest ancestors, not yet fully human, faced challenges we can scarcely comprehend. How did they not just survive, but lay the very foundations for all human life that followed? Join us as we journey back in time to explore the ingenious strategies that allowed them to sustain life against all odds. Our story begins with a remarkable species, Australopithecus. Not quite upright all the time, but already showing traits that would define our lineage. They were primarily fruit and plant eaters, living in environments where trees provided both nourishment and refuge. But the world was changing, and with it, their survival strategies had to evolve. One of their greatest adaptations was bipedalism, the ability to walk on two legs. This wasn't just about speed. It freed their hands to carry food, to gather tools, and to protect their young. It also gave them a new advantage, the power to see over tall grasses, to spot predators or opportunities from afar. Their diet was opportunistic, fruits, leaves, roots, and insects, a varied menu for a versatile survivor. They were expert foragers, guided by a deep understanding of their environment. But survival was never guaranteed. The same landscapes they foraged were shared with predators of terrifying strength, saber-toothed cats, giant hyenas, and other formidable hunters. Danger was constant, yet amidst the threat a new kind of strength emerged: unity. Safety and numbers became their shield. Small groups offered protection, but also something more profound, their cooperation. They shared food, nurtured their young, and learned from one another. Together they began to lay the roots of what would one day become human society. Though advanced tools were still far in the future, they weren't helpless. Our ancestors used what nature provided: sticks to reach high fruit, stones to crack open nuts, and sharp-edged rocks to strip meat from carcasses left by larger predators. These simple acts were sparks of ingenuity, the first signs of technological creativity. As Africa's climate shifted, forests gave way to open savannas. And through every challenge, only the most adaptable survived. Those who could think differently, endure change, and pass their knowledge forward became the foundation of us all. The story of our beginnings is not just about survival, it's about innovation, cooperation, and resilience. From these humble origins began the journey of humankind,